Hello, Stuart from Content Villain here, back with another update on the web development of the app. Here is obviously the screen. I've started to add the models now. Hopefully I can finish adding all of them today, and then I can work on actually building out the extra features. But I think we've got a big improvement already on what we've had before. Obviously, you come in, you have the menu on the left side here. You can click whatever you want. Obviously, product descriptions, the website copy, you have all of the different models there. And you can go in and you can create whatever you want. So let's do a test on one of these for an Etsy description. Handmade socks made with high quality wool in the southwest of England. Perfect for those cold nights. So when that actually catches up with my computer being slow, we have the input with a few errors, of course. So once we've done that, we can hit create Etsy description. What that's going to do is it's going to send it to the AI, and the AI is going to come back with 4 outputs, which is better than the one we had before. At the moment, I have no limits on characters for these input boxes. And for longer form, I will make the boxes multi-line so it's easier to see what you put in as well. And you see here that we have a bunch of outputs that you have. It can take into account multi-line, so that's pretty cool. And if we want to re-roll them, we can hit re-roll through this button on the corner, and then it's going to generate you 4 more. So that's super simple, super easy. And we've currently got all of the product descriptions are loaded, so you can make any of these at the moment. The website copy, all of these models are now loaded. Let's do a blog introduction for So I've put in a blog title and a description saying artificial intelligence is a new technology that allows you to make content faster and more efficiently than ever before. So if I want that to be a blog introduction, I hit the button and it will get to work for us. And you'll see that we have an answer in a minute now. For the rest of these, I hope to really finish all of the models today, and that's going to be super fun when I get that done. And they're all loaded, and then we're pretty much where we are with the chat app. So if I do manage to do that, I can start letting a few people on to test. So if you're interested in that, let me know, and I'll reach out to you. On this generate content page as well, I want to be adding a button somewhere, which is going to be like a back button, which will take you back to the model that you're working on before, because you might see the outputs and you might have a little change in your mind on what you might want to tweak it slightly. So being able to do that would be fun. So I have a back button, which will take you back to the model. I'm working to see if it's possible where we can have a back button and it automatically keeps your inputs from before, so you can just tweak them slightly. That would be super fun. That might have to come a little bit later down the road. Let's just try and get this out first. You can see we've got introductions here, and we can re-roll like we can with everything just by hitting the button, and then we're going to get 4 more. The advantage of this app as well is we're not going to have errors anymore. Well, we shouldn't have errors anymore. And if something hits the filter, it's just going to be a case of re-rolling it if you think that's a mistake, because The filter can be a bit wild at times, so it shouldn't disrupt your workflow. It's just one click of a button to try it again. Obviously, if you are putting something unsafe in and you hit the filter, then yeah, that's your own fault. But there's a way to retry it and try and get the best outputs. So today is add all the models, get them good, make sure this is all working fine. Once I've done all the models, we'll be looking at creating the edit function, the save function, and the webhook function, and obviously making these initial pages have something on them to explain what you can do with the product descriptions and everything, just to look a bit more friendly before you get into the models. So it's all coming. It's coming as fast as I can do it. Still on for a Monday launch. Maybe some of you can come on and test sooner than that. So stay tuned. I appreciate all the feedback and the suggestions. If you do have any more feedback or suggestions, just write a comment below. Always happy to hear it. Thank you and have a great day.